You ever wondered if that pedestal at the RV park is safe and that it's safe to plug your RV into it? I'm going to show you this RV circuit tester that's designed to plug into the pedestal to tell you if your power is good, if it's got problems, and if you need to reach out to the camp maintenance people to get them to fix it. I'm going to do an open box here. This is the 30 amp RV tester circuit tester kit for testing the pedestal. Here's the tester. You can see it's got 3 lights. These 2 outside ones are green, the middle one's red. And it gives you the little instructions here, how it lights up, if it's good or bad. Got some instructions. I'll get those posted up. You got some propaganda. Nothing we're going to be too concerned about. So, the importance of testing your pedestal before you plug in is it's going to prevent electrical damage to your cords. It's going to prevent damage to your appliances, to any electrical items you have hooked up, circuit boards, your refrigerator has circuit boards. You want to make sure that you have good, clean power at the pedestal before you plug into it. If you do have a bad pedestal or bad power at the pedestal, you know, it could cost you a lot of money. And I just about guarantee you that old maintenance guy at the RV park's not going to do you any favors when it comes to replacing your circuit board in your microwave or the circuit board in your refrigerator. They're just not going to do it. You're out on your own. I just want you to know this is a good, cheap way, cheap insurance to prevent potential damage from a bad pedestal you're plugging into for your RV. It could cost you hundreds of dollars if you plug into a bad pedestal and you lose a circuit board. We don't want that to happen. We want to test it before we plug into it. So anyway, I think that'll wrap it up. Just a little bit of peace of mind. If you want safety, make sure that pedestal's good. You want to make sure you don't damage your RV, your coach. You just buy one of these testers. You plug it in, peace of mind. That's all it takes. Well, if you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And until we meet around the campfire, y'all take care now. Bye-bye.